Mac notes disappeared right after macOS update? Rest assured, we will introduce several methods to recover your notes in this video. Before the steps, let's get to know why notes disappeared from Mac. There are 10 common reasons. Now, we will look at 6 ways to bring your disappeared notes back to your Mac. If your Notes app links to an iCloud account, you should make sure, if you are logging into the correct account, so the notes can show up in place. Open the app, go to Account, and check the details, to make sure you've logged into the correct account. All notes gets disappeared, right after accepting the new iCloud terms and conditions, or after a macOS update? This might be the bug from Apple's side, or due to sync interruption during the upgrade. You can disable the iCloud sync first, then enable it again to restore your notes. Open Settings Preferences or Settings app on your Mac. Click on Apple ID. Go to iCloud, uncheck the box before Notes. Then check the box again, to enable iCloud sync. Open Notes app and check if the notes are back. If you hide the sidebar in Notes app, the folders that store your notes will be invisible, and therefore some of the notes gets disappeared. You need to show the folders up. Open Notes app. Go to View, Show Folders. Select the folder that stores your notes, and check if the notes are showing up. Whenever we found the notes get disappeared or deleted on Mac, we are always caught in a panic, and forget to check the recently deleted folder. The notes might be available there to restore. Launch the Notes app on your Mac. Go to Recently Deleted tab. Check if your disappeared notes are there. If yes, right-click on the note, and move them to your Mac or iCloud account. If your notes are missing in your iCloud account, they might be deleted. Luckily, the notes will be available in the iCloud Recently Deleted folder for 30 days. And you will be able to recover. Log into your iCloud account. Go to Notes. Then go to Recently Deleted. Select the deleted notes and click Recover. If the note is still missing, you can go to Quick Access, Data Recovery. Any file that is available to restore will show up here for recovery. If you'd like to guarantee the highest success rate to retrieve lost notes on Mac, you will need a professional and advanced solution. Cisdem Data Recovery is recommended. It is the best Mac data recovery software that can recover corrupted or lost notes, photos, audios, videos, documents and archives from any Mac-supported storage media, including internal and external hard drives, USB drives, SD cards, digital cameras, iPods, etc. Run the program. Go to Hardware Disk. Choose the Mac hard drive that stores the notes. Click on Search for Lost Data button to start the scanning. Then enter notes in the search box to find all the recoverable notes. This folder contains both the notes on your Mac hard drive and those you've synced to iCloud. If you want to select the local notes on your Mac, go to Library folder. If you want to select the iCloud notes backed up on your Mac, go to CloudKit. Tick the box before the notes that you want to recover, and click Recover to retrieve the notes. Then move the recovered notes files to the defaulted location of notes, and your notes will show up again. Cisdem also allows recovering notes directly from iCloud. Under Data Recovery, choose iCloud. Click on Recover Data from iCloud account. Sign into iCloud with your account and password. Choose the categories that you can recover notes from, such as notes in iCloud Drive. Locate the iCloud Notes files and you can preview them. Also, don't forget to check iCloud Drive. Finally, select the files and choose a preferred location to recover. Thanks for watching.